Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do my best to talk here because it does hurt to talk. So I have a very special announcement to make today. And I tell you, I have been asking for this for the longest time, it seems. But I finally was able to get this done for you. So anyways, my announcement is that I have a special discount code that nobody else has for my viewers, my crafty friends, y'all, for my viewers only. And this special discount code is good at craftstash.us. I'm going to go ahead and leave you links to the brands that you can use that discount code in. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop it right there, my discount code, and I'm also going to go ahead and put it in the description area to this video. So let me tell you real quick what this code is good for. You get 20% off of the following exclusive brands: Textures, Card Making Magic, Paper Discovery, Daisy May, Simply Made Crafts, yay! Apple Blossom, woohoo! And let's see, Pretty Quick and Creative Craft Products. Now, there's an exception here. Under Creative Crafts Products and whatnot, no tools or essentials are included with this special discount code. The discount code, once again, is DECO20. DECO, capital letters. And, I will go ahead and leave links to these exclusive Craftstash brands in the description area below. And happy shopping! I will see you once again real soon. Bye!